In front of me is Emporia SMART Mark Point 5, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Finally, tap on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current screen lock. Then tap on Edit button next to the date one and change wherever you want to. When you finished, you need to hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!